Atomic testing at Bikini Atoll just decimated the marine environment there. Baker was the same size of bomb as Nagasaki and Hiroshima, but when it exploded underwater, it created a crater in the reef 20 feet deep, 700 feet wide. It vaporized 2 million cubic yards of coral. Anything that was swimming through there was dead. The pressure on a fish went from about 30 pounds per square inch to over 5,400 pounds per square inch. That was so much pressure that it crushed and sank U.S. submarines. In the first seconds of the explosion, the temperature of the water exceeded the temperature on the sun, over 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It vaporized 2 million tons of water and shot it up into the air. Anything that was living there, any fish, any coral, was immediately destroyed. And that's not to mention the radiation. Radiation that is so prevalent in that area that people are still not allowed to live on Bikini Atoll. It's too radioactive. So what does the marine environment look like 80 years later? In that, we find a ray of hope. Surprisingly, the marine environment has rebounded back. Now, that is not to say that what you're about to see is the same thing that was there before the nuclear testing. It is not. There are many species that are completely devoid in that area. They are gone. There are others that have found a niche and have thrived. So the world at Bikini Atoll is very different than it used to be, but it's still a beautiful place. And that gives me hope, because we may make places on our earth inhospitable for humans, but Mother Nature, she finds a way.